No.
You do?
You brick?
That you can definitely send into the police.
Sick.
To say his goal was diplomacy and that he wanted to stop war or
Wow.
create peace with Iran by funding them. Diplomacy. Let's try to create new change and see if that works. And so I think ultimately I would like to hear from the president and the administration.
Pick a lane!
Jeez, that's not even a lane. You turn left as well. What a wanker. Well, welcome back to Arsehole Avenue Roundabout, folks. It's living up to its name.
She overheard him mentioning leverage to his sergeant. That was obviously Lenny and his family. In subdued him, May's urge to fight back leaped to
White
life.
van man.
Her body tensed, muscles ready to react to some unknown.
Yeah.
She'd already picked
You got.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's coming in front, he's coming in front, he's coming in front. He was just honking at this Audi as well, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
This Audi just seems...
illegal, it's not white.
It's just, you don't expect to see that sort of van doing an overtake.
It's a white van, what do you expect?
Stop now! Really hit a car, didn't you? It's all on me.
It's red.
What are you going to do, Mr. Cyclist? You're going to do it properly, or you're going to go on the pavement?
No. That's a red light, mister.
You might get to the end and then hop.
Yeah, I thought you didn't have a green light for that.
Try this one.
I'm not. Nice one here.
.co.uk or you'll find the rules for this network on
That's clever.
or call 03
That's clever.
195 096. Calls will be charged at the standard rate. You're going to be over 18 to play.
Impatient
and the
bastard.
deadline to enter is 5 p.m.
Similar attitude to I do at Starbucks. I don't like that at the time because I'm always worried that for whatever reason something might go wrong with this thing that I love so much. I always buy 2 jobs.
Wakey, wakey. Yeah, you're on your phone.
So I'm pipping at him because he sat there in the middle of the road on his phone.
Yeah.
Well, that's going.
And it was like, you didn't have to ring, you didn't have to speak to anyone anymore to get a message to your face. That was your face. That was the face. What face? I don't even need to just press it. Just use. Do not. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah, you're an off.
I was going to say, you're going to cut me up instead.
Homie, before you run into the tree. Oh, hey, yo, Jim, let him know.
Ah yes, the good old Vauxhall bike. Ah, the bus bike.
A weaker park, I would go and move that.
Yep, good place for a line bike.
Really? Well, if you ever want to know what your standard Nissan Duke driver looks like, there you go. Parked in 2 spaces. What a prick. I've got all those spaces got to pick from. No, I want to put my executive 2013 Nissan Duke in 2 because I'm a big man. Have I literally just parking there? Looks like it. Oh no. Oh. Oh shit. What's going on there in the middle?
James Bond, eat your heart out. 2006 Aston Martin. Okay, and we have a 1964 Morris Minor 1000 Traveller. Now here's a rarity, a Riley 2.6. Don't see many of these around at all these days. And where would we be without a little 2CV? One of the later models, a 1986. And here we have a Renault 4, French edition, because it has the yellowed headlights. And Mark I Cortina. A Tickford Capri. And another Renault R4.
Fancy using your indicator? No? Alrighty. Electric car. Oh, it does work! Huzzah! You must have heard me.
That's road legal. Press button. That's, yeah.